Hi friends, welcome to our channel Smart Story. Please like and subscribe our channel for more videos. We always confused about C sounds, like when to use S sound or when to use K sound. So these when C is before E, I, Y, we use S sound, that is called soft C sound. Then when C is followed by any other letter, we use K sound. So these are few examples, like race. C is comes before E, and baccano. C is comes before O. There we use K sound. Cute. C is comes before U. K sound. Cider means C is coming before I. We use S sound. Like I, E, Y. We use S sound, and any other letter we use K sound. So these are few examples of soft C and hard C sound, means S sounds and K sounds of C. Cell, celery, cement, cereal, acid, cinema, circle, cipher, civil, citrus, citizen, cycle, fancy, cancel, decide, recent, and recipe. These are the S sounds of C. And other cur, call, catch, cook, cry, clay, clip, clump, crisp, cake, come, came, case, count, corn, clown, because, and beacon. So these are the K sounds of C. So happy learning.